All right, folks, just wanted to show you what I'm doing with my security lights here. I bought them for $19.98 at Sam's Club. What a deal, I tell you. And I was putting them in the ground and lighting up the house like this one over here, and I have to move it. One, it's a trip hazard, and somebody could trespass on my lawn and fall over it, so I had to move them somewhere else. And plus, I got a customer complaint that it was too bright at the window. These things are super bright for 60 lumens, and this is a dark side of my house here. So what I've done is I mounted these bad boys, and the other one, well, this one, I mounted this one already with tie straps. And as you can see, I looped it around the rail there, this rail in here. Let's see, I get my finger in there somewhere. There you go, that rail right there. And then I just made a little assembly around it there. So if you take a look at that, you can see what I've done with the tie straps. It's quite easy, and it's got point down in the house, not gonna be so bright, and it won't be a doggone trip hazard when people are trespassing and they get hurt and they can sue you and all that crazy stuff. But anyway, all you have to do is buy some tie straps, get these lights here for $19.98 at Sam's Club, the LED solar spotlights, a 2-pack. Cannot beat the deal, and they're super duper bright. So check it out at Sam's Club.